Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best air mattress with frame and rolling case is probably one of the most versatile and convenient sleeping solutions available today, offering a comfortable and elevated sleeping experience that rivals traditional beds, all while being incredibly easy to set up, deflate, and store away, making it an ideal choice for guests, temporary sleeping arrangements, or even for those seeking a more portable bedding option without compromising on comfort or support. Number 5. EnerPlex Air Mattress with Built-in Pump. Introducing a premium, waterproof air mattress designed for ultimate comfort. It's perfect for use at home, on the go, or even while camping. Experience quick and easy setup with its built-in pump, inflating in less than 2 minutes. Deflating and packing it away is just as simple. Crafted from puncture-resistant PVC, this raised inflatable bed offers a comfortable flocking top for stability and to prevent leaks. It's built for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Enjoy a restful sleep on this portable airbed, featuring a sturdy coil beam construction. It's ideal for a quick nap wherever you are. Customize your comfort with the fastest inflating pump available. Simply inflate or deflate to achieve your perfect firmness for a great night's sleep. What we like. This mattress is incredibly versatile, perfect for home, travel, or camping. Its quick inflation and durable, waterproof design make it a reliable choice for any situation. If you need a dependable air mattress that can handle various environments and is easy to set up, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to inflate and deflate. Holds well for a twin in guest room for emergencies. Took a nap on it which was comfortable. Comes with a bag. It's self-inflated. Setup was easy and most of all it was comfortable and did not deflate overnight like other air mattresses did. It held 2 adults and remained firm throughout the night. It inflates quickly at the press of a button with a built-in power cord. It also deflates with the button. The power cord folds up and is stored in the mattress, so you can't lose it. It folds up and fits in the included bag. It is about 15 inches off the ground and so comfortable. It has a soft flock kind of allure top. Number 4. Easy Inflate Twin Size Air Mattress. Tired of waiting for your air mattress to inflate? This one inflates in under 2 minutes with its built-in pump. Get ready for a comfortable night's sleep, anywhere you go. Constructed from triple-layered, durable PVC, this mattress is both waterproof and puncture-resistant. It can support up to 300 pounds and comes with repair patches for any accidental damage. Enjoy enhanced comfort with its double-high design and ultra-soft flocked top for stability. The coil beam technology ensures excellent support throughout the night. This bed is designed for convenience, measuring 76 by 38 inches. It's easy to set up, deflate, and store, making it perfect for camping trips or unexpected guests. Customize your comfort by easily adjusting the air volume. The built-in pump will signal when the optimal inflation level is reached, preventing overinflation and ensuring longevity. For first-time use, inflate fully and let it sit for 8 to 12 hours. Always set it up on a smooth surface and store it in a clean, dry place away from direct light. What we like. Experience superior comfort with its double-high design and ultra-soft flocked top. The waterproof and puncture-resistant material ensures longevity, while custom comfort settings let you adjust firmness. If you're looking for a plush and durable option for guests or camping that offers personalized comfort, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Easily inflates in a matter of minutes. This huge mattress creates a high enough bed surface to make you feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. It stays inflated, holding air very well. Very comfortable and easy to inflate. Perfect for guests. The material is durable and holds air throughout the night. Easy inflation. True to its name, the built-in pump of the Easy Inflate air mattress makes the inflation process a breeze. With just a push of a button, the mattress inflates to its full size within minutes, saving me precious time and effort after a long day of adventure. Top-notch comfort. The flocked top of the mattress adds an extra layer of comfort, making it feel like I'm sleeping on a cloud. The double-high design adds extra height, making it easy to get in and out of bed without hassle. Durable and waterproof. The mattress's durable construction has stood up to the rigors of camping trips and outdoor adventures. Its waterproof feature ensures that unexpected rain or spills won't dampen my sleeping experience. Portability at its best. One of the standout features of the Easy Inflate air mattress is its portability. It folds up compactly when deflated and fits neatly into the included storage bag. This makes it incredibly convenient to transport and store, whether I'm heading to a campsite or a friend's house. Number 3. EnerPlex Queen Camping Air Mattress. Introducing the EnerPlex Queen Camping Air Mattress, your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Experience unparalleled comfort wherever you go. Forget manual pumps. This mattress features a built-in pump for effortless inflation and deflation. Set it up in minutes and relax. Enjoy the spaciousness of a queen-size bed, even when you're camping. It provides ample room for adults and kids to sleep soundly. Whether you're traveling or hosting guests, this portable bed offers a comfortable sleeping solution. It's easy to transport and store. Crafted for durability, this air mattress is designed to withstand the rigors of camping. Rest assured, it will provide a reliable night's sleep. The attractive blue color adds a touch of style to your camping gear. It's as functional as it is good-looking. What we like. This queen-sized air mattress offers ample space and convenience with its built-in pump for quick setup. It's designed for both travel and home use, making it a great option for accommodating guests. If you need a spacious and easy-to-use inflatable bed for visitors or trips, this portable queen mattress is ideal. What people say. It comes with both car and home plugs, which makes it super convenient whether we're on the road or at home. The inclusion of 3 different nozzles and repair patches is also a huge plus and shows great attention to detail. The mattress inflates quickly and reaches a really comfortable firmness, making it easy to get a good night's rest while traveling. When we're done, it folds back down neatly and doesn't take up much space at all, which is important for keeping everything organized. The electric air pump worked like a charm. There has been zero air loss, feels like a high-end mattress. When the hospital bed goes back, this stores in a real nice, small fabric bag you can store it anywhere. Number 2. Intex Queen Size Air Mattress with Headboard. Experience luxurious comfort with our queen-size air mattress. Its elevated design and plush surface provide exceptional softness and support for a restful night's sleep. Engineered with unique fiber-tech construction, this bed offers superior strength and durability. Its high-strength fibers ensure it won't sag, providing reliable support night after night. Enjoy a truly restful sleep thanks to the built-in lumbar support. The reinforced beams contour to your body, offering full support and a stable foundation for a peaceful slumber. Setting up is a breeze with the powerful built-in electric pump. It inflates in just over 2 minutes, and a convenient carry bag makes it easy to store and transport. While some initial stretching is normal, this mattress is designed for excellent air retention. Simply re-inflate as needed during the first few uses for optimal performance. Built to last, the dual-layer top resists punctures and abrasions. You can rest easy knowing it's designed for durability and can support up to 600 pounds. What we like. Enjoy a truly elevated sleep experience with its 18-inch height and integrated headboard for added comfort and support. The unique fiber-tech construction ensures durability and prevents sagging, offering a stable sleep surface. If you prioritize a bed-like feel and lumbar support for restful sleep, this mattress with its headboard is a fantastic option. What people say. The mattress inflates and deflates quickly. The frame is sturdy and provides good support. The rolling case makes it easy to store and transport. Number 1. Ivation Easy Queen Inflatable Air Mattress. Tired of complicated air mattress setups? This bed automatically inflates and deflates in under 4 minutes. Simply plug it in, turn it on, and walk away. Experience personalized comfort with 3 distinct settings: plush, medium, or firm. You can tailor your sleep experience to be exactly how you like it. Enjoy a stable, bed-like sleep experience thanks to the integrated metal frame and supportive coil design. You won't be sleeping on the floor with this raised mattress. This queen-sized bed inflates to a full 24 inches high, offering a generous 79 by 62 inch sleeping surface. It's designed to comfortably support up to 450 pounds. When not in use, it quickly deflates and folds into a convenient wheeled duffel bag. This makes it simple to store in small spaces or roll to wherever you need it. What we like. This innovative air mattress features a patented self-deploying frame for effortless setup and takedown in under 4 minutes. With 3 comfort settings, you can customize your sleep experience, and the integrated wheeled case makes storage and transport a breeze. If you value ultimate convenience, a bed-like height, and personalized comfort, this is the ultimate solution for guest sleeping arrangements. What people say. It's super easy to use, comfortable to lay on, and just as easy to store when not in use. I especially love how portable it is. I can toss it in the car and bring it along for road trips without taking up much space. The wheels work very well to move it around. Inflation was quick and smooth, and it retained air really well throughout the night. Deflation is just as easy, it takes no time at all to release the air and fold it up for storage. Automatic inflation deflation. I slept on this bed for 5 weeks and woke up well rested every morning. Easy setup, easy takedown. It stayed well inflated, only requiring short, infrequent reinflation topping off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.